Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Here we have another box, unopened, slightly dusty, postmark Guernsey. Got to try and hide addresses when they come up. I'm not sure what these are. Tyco cars, radio control cars, Tyco. Woo! That says 67 Ford Mustang. Right, what I'm going to do is stop the video there, get it back on the stand, the camera, put the box to one side and take them out one by one. Right, as I said, I want to take them out the original cardboard boxes off camera. So I've opened the box, just don't want to keep displaying the guy's address or anything. So these are in the original boxes, still bubble wrapped. And that is a dinky Mustang DY16 for ages 8 and over. The Dinky Collection Matchbox. You can still see he's still got the, well, I can see, you maybe can't, the screw's still underneath. It's never been out of the box. That's a Mustang Fastback with a bit of blurb. Ford introduced the Mustang in '64 and each year brought out a new version. In '67 the Fastback received a new roof, line blending clearly with the bodywork, which gave a much sleeker look compared to the previous 2+2s. To keep its ahead of its rivals, Ford fitted a more powerful 6.4 V8, developing 320 brake. Due to extra weight, suspension mods were required, but this car was capable of 0 to 60 km per hour in 7.5 seconds and a maximum speed of 200 kilometers per hour. The Ford Mustang is the epitome of the great American muscle car, scale 1/43. That is a great car. We must admit, that is a great car. Let's put that to one side. Car number 2, coming out the box. What have we here? Renault AG Arrow. Well, I'm going to have to take him out the next box. These boxes are as much a mystery as to me as to you. As you can see, I was expecting a box just like the Mustang there, but I didn't get that. Got a different box. This little guy's in Matchbox Collectibles. He's still in his plastic. He's never been out. I'm just gonna take the tissue paper off, whatever you want to call it, the packing paper. So I don't want to take him all out. Come on, let's be having it. I might have to, it's totally rolled up in it. Here we have it, absolutely perfect, as new. I'm the first person to touch it since it was put in the box, and I don't know how many years ago that was. So I'll just put that back to one side. So I have to then take pictures of all of these to put them on eBay. That takes me a while, as you can imagine. Third car out the box. Matchbox yesteryear. Looks like a Stutz Bearcat to me. What's it say? Still in its box, no need to take it out. The two, oops, sorry, let's get rid of the cardboard. And there we are, the two-seater 155 brake Bearcat had a factory guarantee of 100 miles per hour and a price tag of $4,995 US. I'm not going to read it all like I did for the Mustang, but another car in absolutely mint condition. If they're still in the boxes, I'm not taking them out. Unlike that Renault, we couldn't see what it was. Right, just put that to one side. And the next box. Again, bubble wrapped. You can see it's a dinky. Woohoo! Let's just move that so you can get a good view of it. I'm not sure what that is. It's in its box, as the others were. It's a 1948 Tucker Torpedo. And what a gorgeous shape that is, with the white wall tyres. Notice it's got the 3 headlights, one in the centre. Dinky toys again, Matchbox. The Tucker Torpedo is a brainchild of a brilliant craftsman, Preston Tucker. A car with advanced technology, powered by a water-cooled version of a helicopter engine, giving 166 brake horsepower. Scale 143. I guess all of these are going to be 143. The Tucker Torpedo. What a lovely looking car. Here's another one. Whoa, look at the wings on that. Some kind of Cadillac. Let me just tap it out. I'll stop the camera and take it out. It's not going to come out of its own accord. Right, she's coming out of the box now. What a lovely colour. There's the Cadillac DeVille 1959. Cadillac's reputation grew to the extent it became the most prestigious American car. This car weighed 2,300 kilograms, powered by 6396cc V8, developing 325 gross bhp, providing a smooth ride. 1/43 scale again, still in its box. Some of the boxes are a bit dusty. That one's just got a bit of a kink in it, but looks like the door's open. I'm not going to take these out of the boxes. I'm off to leave them in. I'm sure people who buy them will know what they're buying. Here's the next one, the Matchbox Collectible Guarantee. Let's see if we can just get it out again. Or will I just have to go off camera? I'll just stop the camera there. Okay, we're back. Matchbox Collectibles again. Crafted by the greatest name in diecast. 1995. Makes this 28 years old. It's not been out of the box and we still don't know what it is. It's DYG11M, if anybody wants to test their memory on numbers. It's another one of those that's in the little plastic wrapping within the box. It's a sizable car, this one. Buick, it's 58 Buick. One of my mates has got a Buick. It's very nice. I wonder if it's a road mount. No, it's a 58 Buick Special. I won't touch it with my hands. But isn't that a beauty? Look at the chrome on that. Maybe I can see just there. Mirrors are still on. 1, 2. Buick Special on the back there, as you can see. See what she looks like underneath. Nice bit of detailing. DYG11M Dinky 1/43 scale Buick Special. That'd be a fab car today, let alone back in 1958. Right, let's put that one away and I'll move on to the next one. I think there is one more left in this box. Well, there wasn't one left in this box, so I've taken one out the top of the next box. It's a little Red Hot Mini. It is die cast, it's not plastic. Engine is in there. Bit of wear on it, not a lot. Dust mainly, could do with a polish. SS1002, made in China. She's tidy. Boot doesn't open, both doors do, top doors. Again, in really good condition. There's no miles on those tyres. Right, that is another box finished. And another part to the collection of videos on this guy Bob Somerville's diecast collection and Hornby Rail collection and Airfix collection, etc.